Hi friends, welcome to my channel EduBytes. Today in this chapter we'll discuss a little bit about the trigonometric table, which is very important for a board exam. So with first to get a glimpse of the table, you might find out how to remind all this. But there's a beautiful technique to remind all this value of this different degree. So in that particular video, I'll get to let you know that how to remind you all this degree, because it is not possible that to keep you remind all the how many value 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5, that means 30 value is there, 30 value for the 30 different degree according to that 30 different sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec, like that. So it's not possible at all. So you must have certain technique to understand. Just you have to, I'm suggesting you just remind this value only. Sine a, just remind sine a, sine 0 is equal to 0, sine 30 is 1 by half, sorry 1 not half, 1 by half, only half. Sine 45 is equal to 1 by root 2, sine 60 root 3 by 2, and sine 90 is equal to 1. Just remind this single line value, and rest of the things you will get to know how to remind all these things. Just remind this 1 2 3 4 5 value. Okay, now the question is how to remind the cos. Just make it opposite of the line, this entire line, sine value. Sine cos a, cos 0 is equal to sine 90, this value will come to cos 0. Now this sine 60 value will come to cos 30, and sine 45 value will come to that cos 45. Sine 30 value will come to, just a minute, it's a 2, 1 by 2, sorry, extremely sorry, it should be 1, just a minute, it should be sorry, extremely sorry, I make a mistake. Cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2, right? 1, this is 1, this is 2, 1 by 2. So this is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 comes from this one, this value. From this value, it will come to this. Just opposite to the entire sine value will come to that cos value, right? So this 1/2 will come this way, and this 0 value of the sine 0 will come to that way. Okay, right? Now the question is that how to tan. Tan is the opposite of sine theta as well as sine theta divided by cos theta. 0 by 1 is a 0, half 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2, it will come 1 by root 3. Again 1 by root 2 and 1 by root 2, it will come 1. Root 3 by 2 divided by half is a root 3. Root 3. 1, 0. Any value which is in denominator comes to 0, it should be not defined. Right? Cot. Cot is the opposite to the tan. Right? Tan 0, 1 by 0. Right? Not defined. 1 by root 3, make it opposite, root 3, 1 by 1, 1, root 3, 1 by root 3, okay, and not defined, opposite or defined, 0, right? Cot. Sec is the opposite to the cos, right? Whatever value you calculate, just opposite to the cos. 1 by 1, 1, cos root 3 by 2, 2 by root 3, 1 by root 2, root 2, right? 1 by 2 is a 2. Just make it opposite of entire cos value, it will come to the sec value, right? And 0, 1 by 0, 0. Sorry, not defined, sec. 1 by 0, not defined, right? Cos. Because sec is the opposite to the cos, right? And cosec, opposite to the sine. 1 by 0, not defined. 1/2 is equal to, opposite to the half is 2. 1 by root 2, opposite to 1 by root 2 is a root 2 only. Root 3 by 2, opposite, make it opposite of root 3 by 2, 2 by root 3, 1, opposite to the 1 is 1. Simple thing, Just you have to remind this sine value only. Sine 0, sine 30, sine 0 is equal to 0, sine 30 is equal to 1 by 2, 1 by 2, root 2, sine 45 is 1 by root 2, sine 60 root 3 by 2, sine 91. Just remind this 5 value. It will help you to remind all the rest of 30 values only. Okay, so please don't need to mug up all these 30 values. Just try to remind all the sine value. Rest of the value will come automatically. So if you have any problem to understanding these values, please try to make a comment on the comment section. I'll try to make you solve it out. So thank you, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.